Hey everybody, in this video real quick I'm going to show you how to use a Glock Speedloader. Super easy, so let's check it out. Alright, so we got our magazine, got our Speedloader, and we have our appropriate ammo that we're going to use to actually load into the magazine. So you can see up in the top of the magazine, there's a follower here. It's this part right in the top that the rounds actually rest up against. And then you can see on the Speedloader itself, there's a piece of black plastic right here that comes down. That's actually going to depress down into the follower. Roll it right like this. You can see that follower drops down in. We'll take our round and we will load it in. You push it in. It's a lot easier than using your finger, although you can still do it with your finger. So we're going to push down on the top round now, get started, and then lift it up, push it in. And we just keep going. It does get more challenging as that spring gets more compressed. But then as you work your way to the end, you'll have this thing loaded up in no time. And that's it. So just practice and you'll get better and better at it. You can see on the back of the magazine that it counts up the rounds as you load. That's it.